So this is the sign of, for the sign of Capricorn. Ayan, take only what resonates. Ako po si Madam P. Let's start your reading. By the way, bago ako magsimula, ito yung other channels namin. Be sure nakasubscribe ka dito sa Earth Sign Philippines, ha? Kasi, of course, you're an Earth sign. And then, Madam P, yan yung Facebook page namin. And then, TikTok shop, Unipre. Follow us on TikTok, Unicorn Princess Tarot. And please do support my band, guys. Gumagawa kami ng mga kanta. Ako po, personally, nagsusulat ako ng mga kanta. Sana marinig mo yan. Facebook page, Bandang Sibol. TikTok, Bandang Sibol. So, please do follow me there. Let's start. What do we have here for the sign of Capricorn? For the sign of Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Capricorn, please. Spirit guides, angel guides for the sign of Capricorn. We do have here the Judgment and the Eight of Cups. Ayan. The Empress. Ayan. This is a major arcana with the Empress. Well, I can see people loves you, Capricorn. Eight of Cups. Focus mo sa future eh. Pero I feel like marami ang naka-follow sa'yo, nakatingin sa'yo. They all want to know kung ano nangyari sa'yo. The High Priestess, you could be a very spiritual person. And yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng part of your career na rin is may kinalaman sa spiritual, like maybe selling stuff na may kinalaman sa feng shui, may kinalaman sa, esoteric practices, like maybe selling also crystals, evil eyes, or pwede lang naman, pwede may part sa'yo na yung career mo may kinalaman doon. Pero pwede rin mang wala. Okay, it's just that marami ang naka-follow sa'yo. Marami ang nakatingin sa social media mo. King of Wands, Death card, and the Queen of Swords. Okay, so sinigita natin dito, there's a person who is actually cutting you off. Na-cut off ka niya. There could be an ending na nangyayari sa inyong dalawa. With the Three of Pentacles. Pero, naalala niya yung pag-uusap ninyo, like, hindi ko pa rin niya totally nalilimutan. Pero, kina-cut off ka niya. And you do have the Moon. So, pwedeng, until now, there's daydreaming kasama dyan. O, pwedeng nagde-daydream siya sa'yo, napapanaginipan ka niya. So, itong person na to is parang, may something pa rin sa kanya na may kinalaman sa'yo. Okay? So, ano yung emotions niyo sa isa't isa for the sign of Capricorn? Please, for the sign of Capricorn. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Capricorn. For the sign of Capricorn. And hindi na ako magtataka pag nakita ko yung Eight of Pentacles sa'yo. You are really a Capricorn. So, you're workaholic. You're focusing, your focus is work. Ten of Cups, you're thinking about your family. Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng malayo yung work mo. Pwedeng malayo sa pamilya. Two of Swords, may mga decision ka na ginagawa ngayon regarding sa sarili mo. And you do have the Strength card. So, nagpapakatatag ka, nilalakasan mo na lang ang loob mo. But, you have a problem. I see that you do have here mga isipin na parang hindi kayang solusyonan ng kahit sino man. Kahit ikaw mismo, hindi mo kayang solusyonan itong problema na to. So, nakikita natin, meron kang mga isipin, pinupush mo na lang yung sarili mo sa pagtatrabaho, but, that's not helping. It's not helping you. Pero yung iba, nag-focus na lang sa trabaho kasi kesyo, magiging okay naman din ang lahat, you feel like, bahala na, parang gano'n. Basta magtatrabaho na lang ako. But the Ten of Cups, I feel like itong mga tao sa paligid mo, they are also helpful sa'yo, para maging masaya ka. Pero parang may kulang pa rin sa'yo. Two of Swords. Alam mo, the problem here is that may mga decision ka kasing ginagawa na parang hindi mo iniisip yung kahihinatnan nitong decision na to. So, part of you is may mga decision kang ginagawa na hindi okay talaga. But you still do this decision. So, yun lang. The advice is huwag ka masyado mag-decision. Especially ngayon, magkakaroon tayo ng Mercury retrograde. Magtatagal yan hanggang December, no? So, huwag ka muna mag-decision while the Mercury is in retrograde. Magkakaroon ka ng pabago-bagong desisyon, pag-iisip dito. Emotions, you do have here the Devil, the Hermit, and the Hanged Man. Capricorn, Virgo, puro major arcana, no? Energy. Bottom of the deck is the Knight of Wands. Okay. Itong person nakakonect mo, wait lang. Just have to wait. Ayan, I just noticed meron palang picture na hindi pwede kay YouTube. So, gusto ko kasing gamitin tong tarot deck na to eh. Kaya kinakover-coveran ko na lang yung mga bawal. So, you do have the Hanged Man. Di ba kina-cut off ka niya? Ang weird lang kasi part of this person is waiting. Maybe nag-i-intay siya sa kung ano sasabihin mo, etc. The Hermit is here. Maybe may kinalaman sa home. Yeah, pag-uusap regarding home or whatever, mga people na involved sa home. This person is waiting. Pero kina-cut off ka niya. The Devil is here. So, hindi okay yung mga naiisip niya sa'yo. Like, this person is thinking about bad stuff na may kinalaman sa'yo. Hindi okay yon. So, what will happen in the near future for the both of you? For the sign of Capricorn, in the near future, you do over the Three of Wands, the Ace of Wands in the Tower. Okay, whatever you are thinking na wait lang. Magko-cover ulit tayo. I need something bigger. Ito na lang. The King of Cups and the Queen of Cups. May something dito na sisimulan mo, but I feel like hindi ito magtatagal. Kung hindi man ikaw yung magsisimula, o pwedeng nasimulan na eh. Diba? Kung hindi man ikaw yung magsisimula nito, it could be partners of your life or like business partner or whoever this person is. Kung ano man itong sinimulan, hindi ito magtatagal. Kita natin mag-i-end din siya agad-agad. And with the King of Cups, Queen of Cups, yeah. Partnership na hindi siya nakikita natin magtatagal. Three of Wands, you will still be missing this person na hanggang ngayon na iniisip mo, naalala mo, and you miss this person. In the near future, I can still see this energy na namimiss mo pa rin siya, hindi pa rin siya totally nawawala sa isipan mo, but with the Ace of Wands, ang focus mo nga yung new beginning eh, but yung iba nga kasi sa inyo, nakita rin tayo ng ending doon sa new beginning na yun. So, it's just mabilisang new beginning for you. And I feel like it involves other people. So, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. I love you all, guys. And bye-bye.